Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video I will discuss to you guys on how to write a program that will ask the user to give a radius, and then our program will compute the area of the circle based on the given radius by the user using pointers in C++ programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you so much for watching, for your likes, for your comments, and most importantly by subscribing. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today. Kindly see the link in the video description of this video. You may click the notification bell so that you will be notified with the newly uploaded video. So let's begin. We have here two library files, sharp include IOStream for input output. So basically this library file is used for basic commands, just console in, console out. So without this we cannot write a single line of code in C++. Next, we have here the second line of code, the IO manip or input-output manipulator. Include IO manip library for set precision. So we want to have two decimal places, so we are using that library. Using namespace std int main, it is the starting point of every C++ program. We have here begin, and then we have a series of variables, radius, area, and ptr for pointers. We have here new line, console out area of the circle using pointers in C++. In this line of code, we are asking the user to give the radius of the circle that will be stored in our variable radius. ptr equals ampersand radius, pointer points to the address of the radius. Area equals 3.14, 15, and 9. Okay, the value of pi. So here we multiply here with our pointer by itself. What is the ptr is the ampersand radius here stored. So difference pointer to get the value of radius and calculate the area. So basically the area will act as your assignment statement. We have here new line, and then we have here set out to two decimal places. So here fix set precision to two decimal places. The fix and the set precision to belongs in this library file, the IO manip or input-output manipulator. And then in this line of code, the area of the circle is area, new line, end of program, new line, return 0, return to our operating system. In this case, we are using Windows 7 in my laptop. Right curly bracket to close the body of our main function. Don't worry guys, as I said earlier, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. Let us go to our online GDB, the online compiler that I use to write and run my programs. So we will stop this, and then we click the run button to execute our program. Let us run again. Just wait. Okay, our program is right now running. Give area of a circle using pointers in C++. Give the radius of the circle. Let's say we have 4.5. So the area of the circle is 63.62, end of program. Another example. Give the radius of the circle. Let's say we have 8. We press the enter key. The area of the circle is 201.06, end of program. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on area of a circle using pointers in C++ programming language. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.